What's up, guys? So I'm heading over to my buddy's house right now. I'm just gonna help him remove his old bumper they got in a little fender bender with, and then we're putting on a new one that he bought. He just bought it secondhand, so it's a little dirty, but when we clean it up, it'll look pretty nice. Just wanted to kind of get this because I haven't gotten much content for you guys recently, and you know, I have some other news that I wanted to share. So keep watching till the end of the video, and I'll tell you guys what is up. Alrighty, so here's the Jeep. Here is the damage that was done. Tyler, do you want to kind of tell them what happened?
I've had this Jeep for a couple years now, probably 3 years or so. Yeah, I was at a red light and was kind of distracted, and the lane next to me started moving because there was a dog in that vehicle next to me, and I was pretty pumped because I like dogs, and so I kind of gassed it to go with the dog, and my lane wasn't moving yet, so kind of got a nice little hitch right into the bumper.
Yeah, and then you hit that guy into the guy in front of him.
Yeah, did do that, so that was a bummer. Not ideal.
Yeah. Cool. Well, we'll get this thing fixed and keep you guys updated. So what I think needs to happen is take these off.
Yeah.
Because this is a hook, and then that goes into the frame right there.
Yeah.
And then it felt like there was two on the bottom too. But we'll see if this Allen key is even the right size. I have a feeling it's gonna strip. We'll give this a try. Oh shit. I did not expect that to work. They look like they were pretty solid on there. One bolt down, on the second one. There we go. So got the first two bolts off, got this hook off. It feels like there's two more, well, there's two more over here Tyler's working on. And then there's two more up and under here. And hopefully this thing just slides right off. So now we got all the bolts off, and we are just gonna pull it straight outwards. So we'll see how this goes. Just like that.
There's the damage.
Ooh, now we're just putting the other one on, sliding it right over top. Boom, like a glove. We're done. So we got them all, got the hooks on there, got everything hand tight, and now we're just going through and tightening it all up. You know, now that we know everything lines up.
Only a little bit of blood.
So while Tyler's doing this, I'm gonna be taking off these little bumperettes, just so later on, if he wanted to put them on this one, he can go ahead and do that. All right, guys, so I know it wasn't super exciting doing that little install on the Jeep, but it was just some content I wanted to add for you guys, and it went a lot smoother than I thought. I really thought we were gonna have to go get a whole bunch of different tools to actually break them loose, because you know, it's never been taken off before. So I was glad that it went smooth, so that was good, but sorry it wasn't better content for you. I do have some exciting news coming up though. I just agreed to buy a 2003 Audi RS6. It has 700 horsepower though, so it's not just a normal RS6. I'm really excited to bring some new content for you guys. This is an all-wheel drive like monster, and it's set up for race fuel or like normal gas. So it's pretty crazy. I've never driven it. I just know the guy that owned it, and I know that he did like all the modifications properly. So that's pretty cool to know. I know that it's already a solid rig, and I got a pretty good deal on it. I'm super stoked to bring that to the channel. I think I'm getting it tomorrow, so I'll keep you guys updated as I get it, and you know, my experiences with it, because it's all completely new to me. I think there's a bunch of carbon fiber on the interior, and it has aftermarket wheels, but the outside looks absolutely stock. You would never guess that it's like an insane, like just monster. Well, I mean, I've never owned anything that was that powerful. I've never really even driven hard something that has that much power. So I'm pretty stoked for it. My next video will probably be about, you know, my experiences with it, you know, my first run through, my reactions to it. So I'll bring you guys along for the show. Hope you guys are as excited as I am. I'll see you guys in the next video.